Every app starts with an idea, something useful, something exciting, something you wish already existed. But turning that idea into a working mobile app takes time, code, and a lot of patience, unless you have the right tools. In this tutorial, we're going to build a complete AI-powered mobile app using OnSpace, the platform that lets you design apps simply by describing what you want. I'll walk you through how OnSpace generates your layout, configures the backend, and keeps everything synced through its cloud system. We're also going to build a real app from scratch, test it in real time, customize it, add new features, and improve the UI using nothing but natural language prompts. And once everything is ready, I'll show you the different ways you can download your app, generate Android builds, export your code base, and publish your project to the App Store. By the end of this video, you'll be able to take any idea and turn it into a complete mobile app using OnSpace AI, quickly, simply, and without writing code. Now, grab your idea, open up OnSpace, and let's bring it to life. All right, guys, this is OnSpace's official website. The first thing you'll want to do is click the link down below in the description box. It'll bring you right here to the OnSpace homepage. Once you're here, go ahead and create your free account so we can get started. Now, what exactly is OnSpace? Well, OnSpace is this super cool platform that lets you build mobile apps with AI. And the best part is you don't need to write a single line of code. You just chat with the AI assistant, describe what you want, and it builds everything for you. You can create and edit your app, connect it to OnSpace's built-in database, or even Supabase. Add features like authentication or payment gateways to monetize your app, and when it's all ready, you can publish it straight to the App Store. Pretty amazing, right? So once you've created your account, you'll land on this main dashboard page. Right here at the top, there's a text box. This is where the magic starts. You just need to type in what kind of app you want to build. Right below that, you'll see a plus icon. This gives you two options. First, you can upload reference images to help the AI understand the style or layout you're going for. Or if you've already designed something in Figma, you can upload it here and let OnSpace turn it into a fully functional app automatically. Now, on the right-hand side, you can choose the type of backend you want to use. You'll see two options: Cloud and Supabase. Cloud is OnSpace's own built-in database. It's beginner-friendly and automatically creates all the backend logic your app needs. Supabase, on the other hand, is great if you're already familiar with database tools and want more control. But for this tutorial, we're going to keep it simple and go with Cloud. On the right-hand side, you'll notice an option to make your app public or private. If you want it private, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro plan. But for now, let's keep it public so we can test everything out and see what this amazing tool can really do. And that's it for the setup. Now, in the next step, we're going to describe our app idea. So for this tutorial, I'm going to create an AI-powered micro-consulting and advice platform called Quick Mentor AI. On this app, users can ask personalized questions in different categories, things like career advice, fitness, personal growth, language learning, or tech, and they'll receive tailored AI-generated responses instantly. I've also included the link to this exact prompt down below in the description box of this video, so you can follow along and try it out yourself. Once you've entered your prompt, just go ahead and hit the send button. OnSpace AI immediately gets to work. It starts analyzing your request, understanding your idea, and then automatically creates a complete app plan. From there, it begins building everything for you, from the structure and features to the backend setup. This process usually takes about a minute, and once it's done, you'll see your full project appear on the screen. All right, and it's finished generating. Let's take a look at what we've got here. So right away, you can see that OnSpace has provided all the different files and dependencies used in our app, everything that's needed to make it work. Just below that, you'll find a list of all the features included in our app: secure user sign-up and login, 6 expert categories, an AI chat interface, usage tracking, answer rating and saving, user profile and stats, and of course, a built-in light and dark mode. Now let's go ahead and explore our app in action. First, we need to create an account, so I'll enter an email address, set a password, and then click Sign Up. OnSpace will now send a verification code to the email address you just used. And there it is. I've received the code. Let me copy it, paste it right here, and then click the Verify and Continue button. And that's it. We're in. All right, so this is the home page of our app. At the very top, we have a friendly greeting that welcomes the user. Just below that, we've got a section titled Choose a Category. Here, users can pick the type of advice or help they're looking for. There are 6 colorful cards, and each one represents a different category. So let's go ahead and test our app in action. We'll navigate to the technology category and try asking a technical question. Let's start with something simple. What is HTML? And there we go. It instantly gives us a clear and accurate answer. HTML, hypertext markup language, is the foundational language for creating web pages. It defines the structure and content of what you see in a web browser. Now let's try another one, something a little more specific. I'll ask, what do you know about OnSpace, the AI-powered app builder? And just like that, it responds with a detailed explanation. OnSpace.ai positions itself as an AI-powered app builder designed to simplify application development. It helps users create web and mobile apps quickly without extensive coding knowledge. Pretty impressive, right? Now let's take a look at our app's other pages. At the bottom, we've got the navigation bar, which gives users quick access to different parts of the app. We have the saved page, where you can view all the answers you've saved for later. Then we have the profile section, which keeps details about your account and the actions you've taken. And finally, we have the settings tab, which is where you can customize and manage your overall app experience. Here, you can toggle dark mode on or off, depending on your preference. Next, we have the subscription section. But here's the thing. All of these options, like manage plan or payment history, are currently mock-ups, meaning they don't actually have real pages or functionality behind them yet. But no worries, that's the beauty of using an AI web design tool like OnSpace. You can simply go ahead and ask your AI to add any new section, page, or feature to your app just by describing what you want, and the AI will handle the whole process for you. So for example, I want to create this manage plan page where users can review different plans and upgrade their account whenever they want. I also want this page to be accessible from the home page, so when a user clicks the View Plans button on the home page, they'll be taken straight to the same page. To achieve this, I've written a simple prompt with the help of ChatGPT that says, fix the subscription upgrade flow, remove the Coming Soon panel, and make the upgrade functional from both the home and settings pages. Once I enter this prompt into OnSpace, the AI will automatically analyze it, update the project, and generate the new page, all without me having to manually code anything. You describe your idea, and the AI brings it to life in just seconds. And it's done generating. Let me quickly log into my account. Now, from our home page, if we select this View Plans button, we'll be brought here. Great. Now here we have 3 different plans. We're currently on the free plan, but users can upgrade to Pro or Premium plans to unlock more options. All right, now I'm going to show you a super useful feature of OnSpace AI, the runtime scanner. If you enable this option, it'll start scanning your app in real time while you're developing it inside OnSpace's environment. It automatically checks for bugs and potential security vulnerabilities as you build. Okay, it's done scanning, and it looks like there are no issues with our app. But if it does detect any problems, don't worry. In that case, you'll see a Fix button down here in the bottom right corner. With just one click, it can fix all of your app's bugs instantly. This makes it super easy to keep building confidently. You can expand your app, add new features, and know that everything you're creating is ready for the real world. Now, let's say I want to change the theme of my app. I can simply say, transform my website into a holographic futurism theme. Then I just hit the send button, and after about a minute, my app updates with a brand new futuristic holographic futurism theme applied across all sections and elements. Or maybe I want something softer. I can say, transform my website into a calm pastel theme, soft, soothing, and positive. Use a light blue, mint, soft pink, and beige color palette. And just like that, the AI updates my app with a fresh pastel look. As you can see, there's really no limit to how far you can go with customizing and developing your app. It's all up to your creativity and imagination. Now, let's say I don't like this new theme. Maybe the text color doesn't match the background. No problem. Every time you make a change you're not happy with, you can simply restore a previous version. So if I scroll all the way up to the version before I change the theme, I can select this restore option, and in just a few seconds, we're back to that previous version again. Now, one important and powerful thing about OnSpace and its cloud feature is that as we create and develop our app, it automatically updates the entire backend for us. It adds new tables, stores user activity, and keeps everything in sync without any manual setup. So here in the users panel, you can see we currently have just one user registered. That's the email I used to sign up. Let's take a look at the data stored in our database. You'll notice we have four tables: answers, questions, subscriptions, and usage tracking. Each of these is created on the fly as your features evolve. This shows that our app is fully connected to the backend, and every action inside the app, every question asked, every response saved, every subscription update gets recorded and updated instantly. That's the real power of OnSpace's cloud system. The entire backend grows alongside your app without you ever having to manage it. Another feature that's incredibly helpful, especially for developers, is full access to your app's source code. With just one click, you can download the entire project or push it directly to your GitHub account as a brand new repository. From there, you can continue development in tools like Cursor, VS Code, or anything you prefer. Once your app is complete, you can go ahead and download it. Here's what you can export. Download code. This gives you the full source code of your project so you can customize or extend your app however you want. Download APK. This generates an installable Android APK file. This is great for testing your app directly on an Android device and sharing it with others. Download AAB. This creates an Android app bundle, the official format required for publishing your app on the Google Play Store. And finally, if you are targeting iPhone users, you can go ahead and publish your app to the App Store via the Publish feature at the top right. And that brings us to the end of this walkthrough. As you've seen, building an app with OnSpace AI doesn't require any coding knowledge at all. Do not forget that if you have stuck anywhere along the way, you can just leave a comment down below, and I would be happy to help. Also, OnSpace has an amazing YouTube channel with tons of tutorials that will walk you through building custom features and keep you moving forward. In addition to that, if you ever get stuck, their customer support is there to guide you. An AI agent is available 24/7, and you can even count on a real human response within one business day. So go ahead, experiment, try new ideas, and let the AI handle the technical work for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helped you feel more confident using OnSpace AI. If you found this useful, feel free to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next video.